Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Today, I'm going to show you guys what to do if your new download apps are not showing on your home screen. Open Settings and search for Download. Change it from App Library Only to Add to Home Screen.